Are you a Michigan property owner worried about probate costs eating up your family's inheritance? What if I told you there's a legal way to transfer your home to your kids while keeping complete control until you die? Discover the Michigan Ladybird Deed and its benefits. Here's the reality. Michigan probate typically costs thousands and takes many months. Your family will be stuck paying attorney fees and court costs, all while grieving your loss. Traditional methods force a choice. Give up control now or face expensive probate later. This dilemma leaves many feeling trapped and uncertain. But there's a solution that avoids these pitfalls. The Michigan Enhanced Life Estate Deed, or Ladybird Deed, offers a better way. With it, you can transfer your property automatically upon death, avoiding probate. It allows you to keep full control during your lifetime. You can sell, mortgage, or revoke the deed without permission. Plus, it protects against Medicaid estate recovery. Here's how it works. Create and record a Ladybird Deed naming your beneficiaries. You retain an enhanced life estate, keeping all your current rights. Want to sell? Go ahead and keep all the money. Need to refinance? No beneficiary signatures needed. Upon your death, the property transfers automatically. Thousands of Michigan families have used Ladybird Deeds to protect their homes. Estate planning attorneys charge hundreds to prepare these deeds. But you don't need to pay those fees if you have the right forms. Waiting could be costly if something happens without a Ladybird Deed. Your family could face the full probate nightmare. That's why I've created a complete Michigan Ladybird Deed package. It includes attorney-drafted deed forms compliant with Michigan law. You'll get step-by-step instructions for completing every section. Also included are property transfer affidavit guidance and sample completed deeds. Everything you need to protect your property and your family. Don't let your family pay thousands in probate fees. Download your Michigan Ladybird Deed forms today. Protect your property, keep your control, and provide for your family.